Smartwatches promise real-time heart rate tracking. But how accurate are they really? Can you actually trust the numbers on your wrist? Most smartwatches measure heart rate using optical sensors. They shine light into your skin and detect changes in blood flow to estimate your pulse. At rest, modern smartwatches are generally quite accurate for most healthy individuals. However, accuracy can drop during intense exercise, rapid movement, or if the watch is worn loosely. Wrist placement matters. If the watch sits too low on your wrist or isn't snug, readings may fluctuate. Skin tone, tattoos, sweat, and motion can also affect sensor performance. Compared to medical-grade chest strap monitors, wrist-based smartwatches are usually slightly less precise during high-intensity workouts. But for general wellness tracking, like resting heart rate and daily trends, most modern devices perform reasonably well. The key is understanding the limitation. A smartwatch is a helpful monitoring tool. It is not a medical diagnostic device. If you want clearer insights on smart health technology and how these devices actually perform, subscribe for practical, no-hype breakdowns.